So from this fossil we can then hypothesize sesingakwazi ukucabanga ukuthi mawuthi uyayibuka lolu hlobo kushuthi kwakade kuhlobo oluthize lwe-living organism eyayikade yenza izinto ngalendlela uyabona bese kukhanda ama-hypothesis based kuma-fossils as we see the fossil in front of us here uyabona. So the theory of i-Big Bang-ke yenzeka njengoba siyichaza-ke lento ukuthi like this skull that I'm holding in my hand, it is abantu have created a lot of hypotheses nama-theory around the different skulls. Mase splash bani batholakalaphi kusho ukuthi bephila kanjani noma uyathi hayi eyami indlela engifunde ngayo ithi kungenzeka ukuba njalo uyabona. Bese kuba nokuthi-ke wena as you continue to study, what is it that you think it is most correct? So the theory of a Big Bang, to come back to your answer, as I summarize, it is based on why the theories and hypotheses where the scientists are speculating how it could have, how the planet could have started. It based on theories because as in like dinosaurs. Dinosaurs now, Big Bang, nobody was there when the dinosaurs were roaming the earth. But we are creating hypotheses